Alright, so this was just not okay. I don't know about you guys, but if I have a very cluttered space, I feel like it also clutters my mind. I couldn't get anything done today. So when I get in a cleaning mood or an organizational mood, I go super hard at it and I make sure everything is clean because, like I said, if I have a clean space, I have a clean mind, and I feel like I can get a lot more things done when I'm in that kind of frame of mind. Also, sometimes I just realize I have way too much stuff and I love to donate and give things away to my friends and family or just the local charity. So I have my knees. I have a decently busy day today. I need to go to the fabric store because I need to actually touch fabric for a pair of pants that I'm trying to get some samples for. So yeah, I've basically been designing a lot of clothing recently, and unfortunately I don't have any swatch books, which, if you don't know what that is, a swatch book is essentially just a big book of fabric, so you can feel the fabric, see the fabric, get an actual kind of taste of what it's going to be, rather than just saying I need this and hoping that it's that. So that's why I'm going to the fabric store today, to try and just figure it out and see if they have anything that even would make sense for what I want. And just finishing it off with some loafers. Don't know if you can see everything, but I got that there, get the hair done. Alright, so this was an extreme fail because my fabric store had absolutely nothing, but what they did have is a fabric dye. Now I have this mesh light blue sweater that I got that I just never wore. It was collecting dust on my shelf, and I figured, why not try and get it to a color that I think I would actually at least wear? So that's what I'm doing here. It's pretty simple. All you do is get hot water to roughly 200 degrees, put in as much dye as you want, and honestly, you just put the clothes in it for about 10 minutes, and it should turn into the color that you're trying to dye it. I mean, it's pretty simple, and it's a really easy DIY to kind of refresh your closet, refresh your clothes, especially if it's something that you're not wearing. Maybe get it into a color that you're more comfortable wearing, and there you go. If you don't like a white tee anymore, make it black. If you don't like a brown tee, make it black. A lot of options to do with dyeing your clothes. Thankfully, by the time that you guys see this video, if you ordered anything, you should have received your items by now. I just wanted to show you guys a little behind the scenes on what I do and what I go through, because I do literally everything myself: packaging, marketing, if you would consider anything I do marketing, but I do everything myself. So it was a little stressful on this most recent drop, but I'm glad I finally got things done, and just thought I'd show you guys a little bit of how it goes down. I plan on having way more intricate and custom packaging in the near future, so these little baggies will only be for a short amount of time longer. Does that make sense? They'll only be around for a short amount of time.